HH, take my advice. I know that I've prophesied that you win the election, and they are going to win. But you cannot win it from your bedroom. You must stand up and go and fight. HH, stop writing rubbish on Facebook. People that vote are not on Facebook. All those rubbish you are posting on Facebook, those youths that are there on Facebook talking about useless things, they don't vote. The people that vote, they are in Mrs. compound. They are in Chibolia. They are here. Go there and go. Leave your house. You are not yet a president. The problem is the people that are advising him. They already told him you are a president. It's a lie. I can prophesy to you that you will be a president. Amen. And God makes you a president, but people steal it. Amen. Yeah. Yes, that's what is happening there. He's quiet. He has built a very big mansion, and he's always there posting rubbish on Facebook. Facebook does not win election. The people that vote, they don't have time for Facebook. They are in the villages. Go to Ministry of Land and Natural Resources. Go there and ask them, who is the owner of the Mukula tree that was seized? Go there. If they arrest you for going there, the people will see that you have been arrested for fighting for them. Don't be afraid of being arrested. How many times was Satan arrested? In my presence, by the time I was praying for Satan, by the time I was working there, that man was tear gassed. He's an old man. He was tear gassed several times, but he still became strong and won election. You are an opposition party. The ruling party don't even fear you. They know that you cannot do anything. The issue of ambulance is dead, and you allow it to die. Go back there and ask them who purchased those ambulance fire trucks. The issue of Mukula tree, go to the Ministry of Land, go there and sit. Fight for the people. Let people know that you are fighting for them. Leave that your mansion. Amen. You cannot win election. I have prophesied that you win, but they may take it from you if you are not strong enough. Stop posting on Facebook. I'm telling you, Zambia is the most Facebook entertained youthful country. Every youth is on Facebook talking rubbish. One person will wake up and say, I'm beefing with this person. The whole country will go and comment rubbish. Another, what are you talking about? Youths, wake up. You may wake up when it's too late. When your Mukula is gone. When all the money is finished. Check what is happening in Zambia. How much is Milimi today? It's finished. No money. People are suffering. And you can go and borrow money and buy data to come and talk rubbish on Facebook. Youths, are there even youth groups in Zambia? Go and inquire. There is no law on earth that forbids inquiring as a citizen. Who purchased the fire truck? Inquire. That Mukula that was seized, don't allow it to die a natural death. Zambia, wake up. The government, the government does not even fear the people. They don't shake. They know that it will die a natural death. They know. They know that it will die. And the government actually know that this thing will not go anywhere. That's why they take advantage. I challenge you. Wake up. If you don't know how to be, take leave. Come to South Africa. Come and sit down with Julius Malema. Let him teach you how to be an opposition member. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. You will not. The problem with you, you have surrounded yourself with those papas. That, my son, in Zambia, parliament is going on. They are discussing important things. The opposition, instead of standing there to challenge, they walk out of parliament. Who told you if you walk out, parliament will stop? They will continue. Come to South Africa. Sit down with Julius Malema. Tell him how to be, teach me how to be an opposition. I'm telling you, watch him talk. When he's talking, the government is shivering. That is what you are supposed to be doing in Zambia. Just like this, you will not win an election. It's not because God has not given it to you. God can give it to you, and it can be stolen from you. Use this opportunity. I have spoken to Zambia. They have returned what they collected from me. That's why you can see when they are talking, it does not make sense. When they are singing, it does not make sense. When they are addressing the people, it does not make sense. That's why they know to say we don't have any spiritual covering. If you don't use this of opportunity, you will regret. I'm telling you, how can you tell them? Change your way. Stand up. Leave that your mansion. Go and fight for the people. Let them arrest you. And let people know that you are fighting for them. And you will be arrested for fighting for the people. Believe me, you will not regret it tomorrow. Sata was arrested. And he became the president. Corruption is too much.